Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again. Today our theme is love, so we're going to be making some heart-shaped flowers that can turn into a card that you can give someone that you love, or your best friend, or a teacher, anybody that you think needs some cheering up, or you can just keep it for yourself. The colors we're going to be using are green, red, blue-green, violet purple, and gray. Okay, so first we're going to take our sheet of paper and we're going to fold it right in half as best as you can, and you're going to pinch along the fold. Make sure it's nice and tight, and that's it. Now, the side we want to color on is the side that's going to open like a card. So I'm going to make sure our seam is nice and tight. And then we're going to take one of our colors. I'm going to use red first, this one here. And I'm going to make a letter V right in the middle, close to the top, just like this. A letter V. Easy. Now we need to add 2 bumps on top of our V, and that's going to make a heart shape. So you go bump, 1 bump, and 2 bumps. There you go. Now we're going to fill in our heart-shaped flower top. Just like that. Next, we're going to take one of our other colors. I'm going to use the blue-green, one of my favorite colors. And you're going to go beside, it doesn't matter which side, but right beside your flower. I'm going to go on this side. And I'm going to go a little lower down. This is a shorter flower. Make a V, and a bump, and a bump. Then you have another heart. Same thing, we're going to fill it in. Just like that. Now, my last color I picked was purple. And we're going to go beside this one. I'm going to go a little lower, just like I did that one. And you make a V, and a bump, and a bump. And then you have another heart. Now, after this, we're going to turn these hearts into heart flowers. So, we're going to need our green. My green got broken, so I had to give it a little band-aid. And now to make these into flowers, we need to give them some stems. So right from the center of your red heart, you draw a green line all the way down off the edge of the card. Same thing on the other hearts. Nice green line all the way down. And another one over here. Now our flowers have some stems. So now something else that flowers have are leaves. So we're going to add some leaves. We're going to put 2 leaves on your big flower. So we're going to do a curvy line, just like that. And then another curvy line underneath. And there you have 1 leaf, and now we're going to fill it in. Starting to look more and more like flowers. This one kind of looks like a rose to me. I like that. Now we're going to put a second leaf. So you do your half curve line. Another one underneath. And you fill it in. Now this flower, I'm going to put the leaf on the left side, but it doesn't really matter. You can put it on either side. I'm going to go down there. This is going to be a smaller leaf, I think, so we'll make it a little skinnier. Awesome. Now this one I'm going to put on this side to make it nice and even, but again, you can put them wherever you want. And there you go. So I pulled out my gray crayon, and I'm going to use the gray to make some little fluffy clouds off in the background. And those are easy. They're just little scribbles, just like this. Little cloud. And another one. And if you want, you can add more flowers, but I kind of like this, how this composition is looking now. So when you're done, you can take your card, unfold it a little bit, and it'll stand up just like that. You can give this card to your best friend, to your mom, your grandma, your favorite teacher, or you can just keep it for yourself. Show yourself some love. Thanks for watching.